Welcome back to a new video and welcome if you are new here. Today we're taking a look at Vevor FUME Extractor, a really cool piece of equipment for your workshop. When you're soldering, it creates a lot of toxic fumes, so you might want to consider additional equipment to protect your lungs and health. Keeping your window open won't be enough in the long run. There are small alternatives like these little fume extractors, however they are quite limited. You still need a hose that you need to put outside your window or create a box with filters to catch the fumes. Of course they're better than nothing and I was using them for a while in my workshop. Okay, so let's unbox the fume extractor and see how it works. It arrived in a medium box, safely protected inside with foam. There aren't a lot of pieces and not much assembly is required. Here's what's inside. The machine is not heavy, it can be lifted quite easily. As you can see, it's not very big either. I'm attaching the wheels, which makes moving the extractor around much easier, but you can block the wheels with special locks to keep it in place. There's a flexible exhaust hood and an adjustable flexible exhaust pipe, and that's it. So let's finish assembling the machine now. Putting it all together is super easy and doesn't require any extra strength or effort. Small size allows for easy storage next to the bench. I'm turning it on using a single button at the front. This is the lowest setting. I'll show you the other two in a second. I've turned the volume down for the video, but I consider this machine very quiet, especially compared with other power tools. I'll show you the noise comparison between settings in a moment. But first, the candle test. It looks like the fume extractor extracts the fumes pretty well, even on the lowest setting. I am happy to see that all of the smoke goes right in. Now let's see with soldering. I'm using a soldering paste that creates more fumes. The distance between the metal and the hood of the extractor is quite large, but most of, if not all of the fumes are being sucked in. This looks great and I think this extractor did the job very well considering how small it is. The price is also on the lower side. Let's see the other two settings. The sound will be louder now, so you can compare the noise levels. The strongest setting is more powerful and the suction is even better than before. Overall, I think it's a great piece of equipment worth considering if you need a proper ventilating system in your workshop. Protect your health and lungs and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!